Imagine a world where saving and investing isn't just for the wealthy or the financially savvy. A world where anyone, regardless of their income or experience, can grow their wealth effortlessly. Ever wondered, who's behind the app that's making investing so accessible? Today, we're diving into the story of the mastermind behind StashAway, the revolutionary app that's democratizing investing. Meet the founder, Milad Rostam. Milad Rostam, a name that might not be familiar to everyone, but his impact on the financial world is undeniable. A visionary entrepreneur with a passion for technology and finance, Milad founded StashAway with a simple yet profound goal: to make investing accessible to everyone. The idea behind StashAway. Growing up in Iran, Milad witnessed firsthand the challenges people faced in managing their finances. He saw the need for a simple, affordable, and transparent investment platform. Inspired by his own experiences, he set out to create a solution that would empower individuals to take control of their financial future. The journey to StashAway wasn't without its hurdles. Milad faced numerous challenges, from securing funding to navigating the complex regulatory landscape. But his unwavering belief in his vision and his relentless determination drove him forward. The StashAway difference. What sets StashAway apart from traditional investment platforms? It's the simplicity and accessibility. StashAway's user-friendly interface and automated investment strategies make it easy for anyone to start investing, regardless of their financial knowledge. Milad's impact on the financial industry. Milad's vision has not only transformed the lives of countless individuals, but has also had a significant impact on the financial industry as a whole. StashAway has challenged the status quo by proving that investing doesn't have to be complicated or exclusive to the wealthy. Beyond his entrepreneurial achievements, Milad is a visionary leader who inspires those around him. His passion for making a positive impact on the world is evident in his work and his commitment to social responsibility. So, the next time you open your StashAway app, take a moment to appreciate the man behind the technology. Milad Rostam, with his vision, determination, and innovation, has made it possible for millions of people to achieve their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching. If you're inspired by Milad's story or interested in learning more about StashAway, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time.